What if I told you your brain can make you love something more, just because you built it, even if it's not as good as the store-bought version? Sounds wild, right? Let's bust this myth. This is called the IKEA effect. It's a real psychological bias where we value things more when we put them together ourselves. But why does this happen? Let's dig in. Researchers found that people will pay more for a wobbly chair they built than for a flawless one from the store. It's not about quality, it's about effort. The more work you put in, the more you care. In one study, people assembled simple origami. They valued their own awkward creations as highly as experts' perfect ones. That's the power of ownership and pride in action. Think about it. Have you ever kept a handmade gift, even if it wasn't perfect? Or felt attached to a project you struggled through? That's the IKEA effect at work. It's not just furniture. This bias shows up in cooking, crafts, even relationships. When you invest effort, you see more value, sometimes more than is really there. Here's the twist. Companies know this. That's why so many products come as kits or let you customize. They want you to feel that sense of ownership and spend more. But the IKEA effect isn't always good. Sometimes we get so attached to our own creations that we ignore better options. We might even overvalue our ideas at work. Ever wonder why group projects can get heated? Everyone thinks their part is the most important. That's the IKEA effect making teamwork tricky. Some experts say this bias helps us learn and grow. When you build something, you remember it better. The struggle makes the reward sweeter. But others warn it can cloud our judgment. We might stick with a bad idea just because we worked hard on it. That's called the sunk cost fallacy, and it's closely related. So what does this mean for you? Next time you feel extra proud of something you made, ask yourself, is it really better? Or do I just love it because it's mine? The IKEA effect can help you appreciate your hard work, but don't let it blind you. Sometimes, letting go or asking for help leads to even better results. Here's a wild stat. In one experiment, people paid 63% more for furniture they built themselves. That's a huge boost, just from a little sweat and effort. But not everyone falls for it. Some people actually prefer ready-made things, valuing convenience over effort. Which side are you on? Imagine if we applied the IKEA effect to everything, our jobs, our friendships, even our beliefs. Would we hold on too tightly, or would we build a life we truly love? So next time you're sweating over a project, remember, your brain is making it feel more special. But don't be afraid to step back and see it clearly. Here's a question. What's something you built that you love more than you expected? Was it worth the effort, or did the struggle make it sweeter? Some say the IKEA effect is a superpower. Others call it a trap. But one thing's for sure, it shapes the way we see the world, every single day. Want more mind-bending facts like this? Hit follow and join the conversation below. Your next favorite story is just a click away.